Hi, lovely people. We are clearing the pancreas today, as you do. We've done the liver before, but we're going to do the pancreas today. This is a request by somebody. So without further ado, let's set the intention to receive the benefits, because this applies to all of us, and for our highest good. So set the intention to receive the benefits of this healing for your highest good. And let's get stuck in. Wonderful. So, oh, can you see that? Yes, right, okay. So you're working with your high self teams. I'm working with the God team for the benefits of this. And the pancreas, what's that running at for us? Oh, 0, positive, 100, negative, all those sugary foods we're eating. And where's it sitting at? It's the incarnational level of consciousness, so right down at the bottom. So let's have a clearing on this for our highest good, raising it up to radiant love, new paradigm level of consciousness, up to 100 positive, down to 0 negative across all of our energy bodies, especially our physical body. Yeah, let's do that for our highest good. Bring us back into perfect harmony on our physical body and across all of our energy bodies. Clearing away. Yes, we must look after our pancreas. I've got a big book here, which is all about psychological things to do with parts of the body. It's my huge Bible. Let's see if it has anything, words of wisdom for the pancreas. Pancreas problems. Let's have a look. 417. So it's clearing away. It's doing a lot of clearing. So this book is by Michael J. Lincoln, PhD. And there's quite a few pages on the pancreas, but let's see if I can give you any overview. So pancreas problems can be love incompetent, people having difficulties in integrating and expressing love. They don't believe they deserve love and that love is a poison apple. They have a lot of guilt and feelings of lack of value in a low self-esteem process. It all developed out of a severe worth anxiety process that arose from intensely ambivalent acceptance, rejection reactions from their family. Or it can be I, me, mine. They are highly egocentric and egotistical in their functioning. They're engaged in overindulgence or in self-indulgence, emotional excess, negative self-expression and or violence. Their underlying attitude is the world owes them a living, a loving and a lavish, and they feel betrayed when it doesn't come through for them. They come from an intensely self-immersed and selfish family who could care less about ecological impact or contribution. It generated a compulsive worth proof needing in the form of a constant input of positive and sweet experiences, along with a simultaneous continuation of the family culture. Well, some of that may apply to you, some of it may not. Other suggestions are there is no joy in Bloodville. Oh God. They have an angry sourness and bitterness about life, with a feeling that life has lost its sweetness. They're not experiencing any joy in life. They're harboring a good deal of anger and resentment about all of this and can be intensely judgmental and rejecting. I mean, don't take that as, the rule of law there. There may be odd bits that jump out to you there if you're having any pancreatic problems, anything diabetic or anything like that. It doesn't mean to say you're an egocentric person. It just means that there's something in there about the sweetness of life, which I think is the general thing there at some moment in time. Could even be ancestral, that you've inherited or from other lifetimes, or it could be something that the soul has chosen to experience for some particular reason. So this is just an idea, but sometimes it's useful to read these things to see if anything jumps out at you that may be worth, looking at something deeper within. We can get, I think diabetes 1 is often caught from a virus, isn't it? The physical gets overwhelmed with the virus, and there's too much damage gets done, I believe. So, and diabetes 2 can be reversed, can't it? So diabetes 1 in some cases can be reversed, is my understanding. If you look at Anthony William, medical medium, some of the things he said on that, but not in all cases. So as with all these things, it starts with a thought process somewhere along the line. So let's have a look. Chart 6A. You may or may not agree with that, and that's absolutely fine. I'm just relaying that information to you. Make up your own mind what you take and what you don't take. Is absolutely fine. Outside right. Spiritual suicide. It's so interesting, isn't it, what comes up? Inside left, abandonment. Inside left, betrayal. Anything else? So let's just clear all of those from past life and ancestral roots. I find it very, very interesting, the sort of programs that come up when we're clearing specific areas, such as the pancreas right now. And spiritual suicide is literally that, it is sort of that, I'll give you the official definition of it. But it is exactly as it sounds. Here we go. Spiritual suicide is the sense that you've done something to cut yourself off from spirit. So like committing suicide from spirit. You cannot commit spiritual suicide. You can only have the false belief that you can or have. And these are all beliefs, of course, which we're clearing across all time, space and dimension. Elevation sees through its branches, everything, everywhere. Okay. Chart 10B, which is programs created by spirit. We have experience as the process. The original thing was clearing all program replications, but they don't rebuild or replicate anymore. So it's gone there. So I'm just going to ask if there are any program replications that they cleared, if there's anything else under there that the teams are aware of, that they can clear that. And we clear all blocks to experience as the process there. And this is programs created by spirit. So it's the first line of programming. Do you know the energy's already feeling lighter with this? So whatever we've cleared already has made a huge difference there to the pancreas. It would be interesting to know if any of you actually get any sensations in your pancreatic area, or any, if you notice any reduction in desire for anything sweet, maybe after you've eaten, or any cravings, sweet cravings. It would be interesting to know if you've noticed anything from this group clearing. I think I'll stick a clearing on for the colon soon as well. That would be worth doing. The large intestine. All these things get stored in the body, and it's so good to clear them out. Okay, that's quite a lot there. What else are we going to clear then from the pancreas? Chart 13, programs before creation. It's King of Kings level. And we're clearing subconscious odds and ends, fire planet, energy, creative programming. So let's get all of that cleared. Okay. And chart 15, I am level consciousness programs. So we have a dysfunction of the I am level consciousness. We have a war in heaven, the I am level consciousness. So just clear those out as well in connection with the pancreas. It's very interesting what's coming up, what's affecting the pancreas, what programs are there. Okay, and where are we going next? We're going to chart 29, final blessing. And we're clearing the etheric body, subconscious mind, the emotional body, conscious mind, Queen of Life factors, anything on the outside. We're clearing the Holy Spirit body, clearing a lot of these, the Holy Spirit consciousness with this, and the consciousness expressing, which is spirit. So let's clear all of those in connection with your pancreas. So there's a few energy bodies there coming up with this one. They will obviously need aligning together. If you'd like to work with me, please contact me. All the details are down below on the in the details section. So I offer 3 programs at the moment. One is an SRT package, which is 3 clearings and a brain restructuring. One is the basic working with me on Zoom, which has nothing to do with SRT. It's working with me as a sort of healer, therapist, coach, mentor, intuitive, all into one, basically identifying behaviors. We get you to muscle test, we identify blocks in your life, and we start clearing those blocks there and then. Very, very powerful. Program number 2 is 3 Zoom sessions. And program number 3, which is the best value of all, most expensive, but the best value of all, which is we have 6 SRT sessions, I think it is, and 5 one-to-one online sessions, and up to 3 hypnotherapy sessions as well, or recordings, should I say, up to 3 recordings, and a brain restructuring, and yeah, that's the basics. But that's a good all-round package that really gets stuck into your transformation. You'll find a lot of change in the following year or 2 after that. Anything else? No? Can we go to mop-ups? Let's go to mop-up for the pancreas, please. Let's use the affirmation, I'm in perfect health, for the pancreatic clearing. I'm in perfect health and life is sweet. I'm in perfect health and life is sweet. We'll use that affirmation for the mop-up. For the teams to work with, I'm in perfect health and life is sweet. So we don't need to go searching for that sweetness in chocolate and sweet sugary foods. Wonderful. Is that done? That suddenly stopped. Yeah. Is the soul happy? Is the high self team happy? Will it hold? Yeah. What are we running at now then? 100 positive, 0 negative for the pancreas. Let's have a look. And we're at Radiant Love New Paradigm level. So there you go. Another successful clearing for you on the pancreas. I will add the colon in soon as well and start working my way through the body. I think we've done a couple of bodily parts. I know we've done the liver. Can't remember what else we've done. I'll have to look at my list. But keep those suggestions coming in, polite ones, constructive ones, and I look forward to working with you soon. So thank you so much as always for tuning in, and big love to you all. Take care of yourselves. Bye.